In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip images and elements in Canva with this simple guide. Whether you're using Canva for designing social media posts, presentations, or any kind of visual project, knowing how to flip elements can offer you more creative possibilities. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to canva.com or open the Canva app on your device. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on Sign Up. You can sign up using your email, Google, or Facebook. If you already have an account, simply click Login and enter your login details. Once you're in, you can choose to open an existing design that you're working on, or you can start fresh by clicking on Create a Design and selecting the specific template or dimensions you need for your project. Now that you're in your Canva workspace, click on the image, graphic, shape, or text box that you want to flip. You'll notice that once you select an element, a toolbar will appear either above or below it. This is the section of the interface where you'll do most of your adjustments. In the top toolbar, look for the flip button and click on it. You'll be presented with two options: flip horizontal, which mirrors the element from left to right, and flip vertical, which turns it upside down. Choose the option that suits your design needs. You can even apply both flips for a unique rotated mirror effect, which is great if you're looking to create something more dynamic or symmetrical. After flipping the element, you'll likely need to adjust its position to ensure it integrates seamlessly with your design. You can do this by clicking and dragging the element to your desired location. If you need to resize or further adjust its orientation, use the corner handles. These are the little circles that appear on the corners of the selected element. Just click and drag to resize or rotate by moving your mouse around the handle while holding down the click. Once you're happy with your adjustments and the flipped element aligns well with your overall design, it's time to save your work. Click on Share, then Download. This will bring up a menu where you can choose your preferred file type. Options include PNG, JPG, and PDF. After selecting the format that best fits your needs, click Download to save the completed design to your device. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to flip images and elements in Canva, adding a new level of creativity to your designs. Enjoy experimenting with these techniques to enhance your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more design tips and tutorials.